In this lesson, you worked in Google Slides. The skills you learn and practice will help prepare you for your G Suite certification exam. You can apply much of what you have learned in this lesson to other presentation applications as well. Creating great presentations is something that will help you in school, at work, in your community, and at home. In this lesson, you added images including photos, icons, and logos, inserted video from a link and from Google Drive, and created lines and shapes. You can use your presentation skills to create a slideshow of your family, get to know a new team, or share your ideas with coworkers and collaborators. Adding graphics like photos, videos, icons, and shapes will make your presentation dynamic and interesting. And knowing how to complete all of these steps will help you to create organized, easy-to-read presentations for future projects at work, school, or for your community or yourself. Now you can explore more G Suite certification lessons to learn and practice with other applications.